Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn an accounting course. Begin by grasping the core principles that govern financial reporting. Focus on the accounting equation, which is the bedrock of all financial statements. Dedicate time to mastering debits and credits, as they are essential for accurately recording every business transaction. Consistent practice with basic entries will solidify your understanding and build a strong foundation for more complex topics. Once you have the basics down, it's crucial to apply your knowledge through practical exercises. Engage with a variety of problems and real-world case studies to see how concepts translate. Gaining experience with accounting software, like QuickBooks or Xero, will prepare you for professional environments. Practice generating and interpreting financial statements, and don't forget the importance of reconciling accounts to maintain precise financial records. As your understanding grows, explore specialized areas within accounting. Dive into topics like cost accounting, which helps businesses manage expenses, or auditing, ensuring financial accuracy. Learning about tax regulations is vital, as they significantly influence financial decisions. Familiarize yourself with global accounting standards like GAAP and IFRS. For career progression, consider pursuing professional certifications such as the CPA or CMA. Accounting is a dynamic field, so continuous learning is absolutely key to staying proficient. Make it a habit to keep up with new accounting standards and evolving tax laws. Engaging with industry publications and attending webinars will broaden your knowledge base. Networking with experienced professionals can provide invaluable insights and mentorship. Remember, there are many online courses and educational platforms available to support your ongoing professional development.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.